in my childhood. Sometimes I used to cry. So at the time, after crying for 1.5 hour, 2 hours, one time I was crying continuously for 3 days. My mom said that. So, but usually what I remember is after 1.5 to 2 hours, I used to have some profound wisdom. Okay, one question I used to ask: after 100 years, this problem is will be there or not? For this problem, do I cry or not? That question I used to ask. Then automatically some relief used to come in the body and the mind. So after asking the question, immediately I feel that the crying process. I feel that crying, a lot of crying. Otherwise, after childhood also, whenever my mind gets hurt a lot, I used to feel that my mind is dying. That happens. That's a mind level of death. Completely I cannot take it anymore. But after the death, like a phoenix bird, after the death, from the ashes, it will be reborn again. So that's the first death and life I experienced in my life, friends.